50 years ago, this was nothing. No towers, no skyline, no luxury hotels rising from the sea. Just desert. Endless, burning desert. Heat so powerful, it could erase footprints within minutes. And silence. The kind of silence that makes you feel like nothing could ever exist here. But someone looked at all of that and saw something different. Not emptiness, possibility. This is Dubai, a city that should not exist. And yet, here it stands. Most cities took centuries to build. One generation at a time, one building at a time, one street at a time. Dubai appeared almost overnight. Like humanity suddenly decided to challenge nature itself. Towering skyscrapers rose from empty sand. Artificial islands stretched into the sea. Highways cut through ancient dunes like rivers of light. And the desert, that had existed unchanged for thousands of years, suddenly had a neighbor. And above everything stands the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on Earth. So tall, it almost disappears into the sky. Standing beneath it feels strange. Your eyes keep moving upward, searching for the top. But somehow, the tower never seems to end. Glass, steel, light. A structure built not just to break records, but to send a message to the world. Human ambition has no ceiling. At night, the entire tower transforms. Lights ripple across its surface. The skyline burns gold and silver. Fountains dance to music in the streets below. And for a moment, Dubai feels less like a city and more like science fiction brought to life. But the most fascinating thing about Dubai is what exists just beyond all of it. Because only minutes from the tallest tower on Earth, the desert still waits, silent, ancient, completely unmoved. Roads disappear into endless dunes. Golden waves of sand stretch beyond the horizon, unchanged since before civilization began. And suddenly, the noise vanishes. No traffic, no neon lights, no towers touching the clouds, just wind and the feeling that the desert has been watching everything humans built beside it and is quietly waiting for it all to return to sand. For centuries, Bedouins survived here with almost nothing. No towers, no technology, no electricity. Only stars and the knowledge of the desert. People still race across dunes at sunset. Camels still walk ancient trade routes. Fires still glow across the sand at night. And as the sky burns orange, you realize something. Dubai may look like the future, but beneath all the glass and luxury, its roots still belong entirely to the sand. Then comes the night. And Dubai after dark becomes something else entirely. Luxury cars glide through glowing streets. Rooftop pools overlook oceans of city light. Massive fountains dance beside towers that pierce the clouds. Everything here feels larger, brighter, more extreme. Even the shopping malls feel unreal. Inside Dubai Mall, you'll find waterfalls, aquariums, ice rinks, and stores more expensive than entire houses in most countries. Outside, the desert heat can melt asphalt. Inside, people ski on real snow. In Dubai, reality constantly feels confused. Then there's Palm Jumeirah, an entire island built by humans in the shape of a palm tree rising from the Arabian Gulf. Think about that. Someone drew a palm tree on a map. And then built it in the middle of the ocean. From the sky, it barely looks real. Luxury hotels line the water. Private beaches glow beneath city lights. The Gulf stretches endlessly into the darkness beyond. Dubai never accepted the limits of geography. It simply built beyond them. But perhaps the most surprising thing about Dubai is how many different worlds exist inside one city. Walk through ancient souks, filled with spices, gold, and incense. And moments later, you're standing beneath skyscrapers that feel decades ahead of their time. The call to prayer still echoes through the city. Mosques still fill at sunset. Ancient Arabic traditions still breathe inside modern streets. And somehow, all of it exists beside supercars, artificial islands, and towers touching the clouds. Dubai lives in two completely different worlds at once, one ancient, one futuristic. And together, they created something the rest of the world had never seen before. Every year, Dubai keeps changing. New towers rise from the desert. New islands appear in the sea. New records are broken. Because Dubai is obsessed with one idea, one belief that runs through everything this city has ever built. Impossible is only temporary. Millions visit Dubai every year. Some come for luxury. Some for adventure. Some for business. But most leave with something they never expected. Shock. Because Dubai doesn't feel like a normal city. It feels like humanity trying to prove that imagination can overpower reality. And somewhere between the endless glowing skyline, the silence of the ancient desert, the towers blazing at midnight, the fountains dancing beneath the Burj Khalifa, and the call to prayer echoing through streets that feel like the future, you begin to understand something. Dubai isn't just a city humans built. It's a city humans refused to believe was impossible. And then built anyway. And long after you leave, part of your mind stays there. Still staring at the skyline. Still standing in the desert. Still asking the same question. How does any of this actually exist? That is Dubai. Follow for more places that will completely change the way you see the world.